Good evening, people on YouTube, and welcome back to William in Japan. As you have seen in the intro, I finally pulled the trigger, and now you are seeing footage recording in 4K with Super View by the GoPro Hero 9. Now, before further ado, let's take it out for a quick ride. As we approach a tunnel, please keep in mind that I am actually recording with a pin mic inside my helmet, so the engine noise may be a bit more quieter than what we all hope to listen to. But thanks to this pin mic, I can speak easily, and we don't have a lot of wind noise screaming through the whole video. So I did buy the GoPro Media Mod that gives me a external shotgun microphone, which actually gives quite a good microphone quality. Here's a quick video that I took a few weeks back when I just got the GoPro Hero 9, and you can see how it performs in the night without a pin mic, without me speaking, and only the engine singing. So the shotgun microphone definitely works at slower speeds, but unfortunately when I'm doing around 90 or even 80, the wind noise is just way too noisy, and I have to switch to my pin mic. So unfortunately I still need a different recorder, especially a good voice recorder, in order to actually give you guys better audio. Hopefully we can upgrade that really soon, until I scrape together the fun stuff. Other than that, the GoPro definitely performs way better during night filming compared to my old Sena 10C Pro. However, in indoor situations where lights are dim and the headlight is on this bike, I still can't get a clear shot, as you can see right now. On the left is the Sena one, on the right is the GoPro one. I still can't get a clear shot of how the daytime running lights look on this bike. So yeah, there still are some technical difficulties I still need to smooth out in the near future. But other than that, everything should be good. So it is around 6:50 in Tokyo. It has been a very, very wet and hot 2 weeks in the past, so not much of motorcycle riding has been done. But finally, at dusk today, I think it is cool enough to take her out, my beautiful Super Sport 950S, for a quick spin and make a proper first video with the GoPro Hero 9. As we exit this tunnel, the old camera, the Sena 10C Pro, definitely struggles when lighting changes in a very short period of time, and whiteouts are pretty common. And as you can see from this footage, hopefully switching to GoPro has been a worthy upgrade for our video quality. Alright, and now we are approaching my favorite daily therapy riding route, good old Tokyo Gate Bridge, as she towers over us with an airplane right in front on top of us right now as well. Hopefully GoPro did this scenery pretty good justice. Alright, let's do a quick climb up onto the Tokyo Gate Bridge and look inside the beautiful Tokyo Harbor. Let's head to the left so I can give you guys a better shot of this beautiful city. In the far north, or it should be in the middle of our footage right now, it's actually Tokyo Skytree. Hopefully, after switching to this camera, you guys can have a better idea of how it looks. Well, of course, there's always the internet, but hey, it's always nice you can see Tokyo on a motorcycle. On our right, heads out into the Pacific Ocean, as I mentioned before. 2 videos actually I already make on riding on this bridge. But yeah, hopefully this video footage has been a worthy upgrade, as I have been repeating myself. Alright, let's see if we can pick up some of the Quickshifter sound blipping. I'm definitely interested to see how that audio turns up with this pin mic inside my helmet. If the volume is still too low, I will need to invest on a different recorder, most likely one made from Zoom, maybe H5N or even H3, I think. Kind of forgot the product number, but a proper recorder so we can give you guys a better mix of the beautiful exhaust sounds and the intake sound of the Ducati Supersport 950S. She really kicks to life around 5,000 RPM. Starts to honk, intake sounds kicks in, but it kind of disappears after 7,000 RPM, and it becomes more of the engine sounds only. But definitely, the pops and burps of this exhaust is really the reason why I love this bike so much. This bike should be a EU5 machine. But I don't know how Ducati got all of these pops and burbles through the emissions. So to sum up how I feel about the GoPro Hero 9 at this moment. First of all, it is expensive, but it definitely helps and gives you a way wider, very much wider field of view. But on the bad side, it flattens out everything, so when you're on steep hills, very tight hairpins, it just seems very dull. It seems like very easy straight roads. So you guys kind of miss the reality of the roads here in Japan. Okay, let's give the GoPro a nice pan out shot of the bike and the harbor view before us. Alright guys, this has been William, and this has been my very quick first video of the GoPro Hero 9. Click left to see more videos just like this. Click right to subscribe if you want to see more in the future. This has been William, and thanks for joining me. See you next time. Bye bye.